आपने 2024 या 25 देखा होगा कि कैसे लोगों ने अपने बिजनेसेस ऑटोमेट किए, बनाए, अपने पर्सनल ब्रांड बनाए थ्रू यूजिंग एआई। और इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा कि कैसे एज अ बिजनेस ओनर, पर्सनल ब्रांड या फ्रीलांसर आप अपने 70% ऑफ प्रोसेस जो है ऑटोमेट कर सकते हैं। माय नेम इज अली शायान और मैं एजेंसी रन कर रहा हूँ खानवर्क के नाम से एंड अ कम्युनिटी नेम खान सर्कल। और मेरे 70% से ज्यादा प्रोसेसेस ऑटोमेट हैं यूजिंग एआई और ऑटोमेशन टूल। तो बगैर किसी टाइम वेस्ट किए लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद हाउ अ बिजनेस ओनर कैन ऑटोमेट देयर 70% ऑफ देयर बिजनेस। एज अ बिजनेस ओनर माई सेल्फ मैंने बहुत सी चीजें ऑटोमेट की हैं जो मुझे नहीं पसंद। इसमें बहुत सी चीजें इन्वॉल्व होती हैं जैसे एसओपीज हो गया, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल बिल्डिंग अ सिस्टम ताकि आपके एम्प्लॉय जो है वो फॉलो कर सके एंड यू डोंट हैव टू वरी एवरी टाइम यू हायर सम न्यू एम्प्लॉय। बट हाउ डू यू क्रिएट दोज एसओपीज? आई यूज ChatGPT to create those SOPs right into my laptop. So this way you can automate your SOPs ताकि जो भी अगर आपका employee है या new employee आप hire करते हैं you can share that SOP। और SOP means operation system। आप एक document बनाते हैं जिसमें आप एक process जो है पूरा आप break down कर देते हैं कि ये चीज हम इस तरह करते हैं, आपने ही इस तरह करना है। It's like a script or a video। इसी तरह हमारे पास invoices हो गए, receipt हो गई, हमारे पास बहुत से अच्छे tools हैं जैसे कि हमारे पास स्ट्राइक हो गया, स्लैक हो गया और आप वो ऑटोमेट कर सकते हैं थ्रू ऑटोमेशन टूल्स। हमारे पास ऑटोमेशन टूल्स लाइक ज़ैपियर, relay.app, these are फ्री ऐप कि आप उस पे जो है अपने सिस्टम्स ऑटोमेट कर सकते हैं। आप अपने पेमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म उस ऑटोमेशन टूल्स के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं जिससे आपका प्रोसेस ऑटोमेट हो जाएगा और इसके जरिए आपको वरी नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि यार मुझे हर महीने एम्प्लॉय को सैलरी देनी है या क्लाइंट से इनवॉइस मांगना है या अगर इनवॉइस आता है तो इसके बाद प्रोसेस क्या होगा। Everything can be automated through AI automation tools like Zapier or relay.app. The best example I can give you is that हमारे पास UBL banking app है in Pakistan and it doesn't have any AI or automation but it has a feature like schedule your payments। और उसमें मैंने सारे employee की salaries या bills वगैरह हो या जो भी चीजें हैं उसमें मैंने schedule कर ली है and that is paid on time on the first day of the month। So I don't have to go through the app and send invoices or salary to each person individually but that is sent directly through automation and that's a really simple example that can make my life easier और वो सब time save कर सकता है। As a business owner meetings वगैरह schedule करना या जो है reminders, for example in my agency there is a reminder for my team to give update daily in Slack and that message always send at 9 a.m. daily using automation tools। So I don't have to send all the time every day looking for sending the message on Slack but that is sent automatically। तो इसी तरह you can automate meetings। You can create meetings through Zapier automatically। For example, at Funwork we have a Friday meeting and that is automated by Zapier or any other automation tool। Now, for example, as a business owner running an agency, I have automated onboarding। If the client comes to us and they fill up a form और वो form में हमने सारे question add किए होते हैं जो कि necessary होते हैं client से लेने के लिए। Through those questions, we get all of the data from the client, that the logo, the name, the mission, the vision, the goal, or whatever they want from us at Hanwork। And through that form, that triggers to create a Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google folder. All of those things are automated and create everything. It creates a template in Figma. Everything set up automatically, like even creates a channel in Slack, just like a group in WhatsApp. Through that channel, we communicate about that project. So with just submitting a one form, we have automated the whole process for the client onboarding. So that's like another example that you can automate your business। And same goes for lead generation or follow-ups, right? You can automate that as well। That might cost some but you have to try those tools for free। They have the free version, they have the trial। अगर वो आपके लिए results ला रहा है you can buy that for your business। So that's how you can automate your business as a business owner। Now let's talk about freelancers। How a freelancer can automate their freelancing career so that they don't have to worry about the repeated tasks। Myself, I have started as a freelancer और freelancing में बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो ऑटोमेटेड होती हैं। But I will recommend as a freelancer, not a business owner, but as a freelancer अगर आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं make sure that you do most of the things yourself so that it's personalized। Reason इसका यही है कि freelancing means that you personally work with your client, not as a business owner where you have a team। I will recommend that don't automate everything but let's talk about what are the things that you can automate as a freelancer। Now the one and most important thing that you can automate is proposal sending। branding or pricing template or your portfolio. Whenever you send a proposal, you don't have to start the whole message from scratch. I know you can personalize it, you can customize it, but you will have something to start from. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि आप एक टेम्पलेट बनाएं और उसमें आप बहुत सी सारी चीजें ऐड कर दे जो कि ऑलरेडी you are repeatedly using for other clients. For example, pricing. For example, portfolio link. So those are the things that you can automate in freelancing. The next stop is discovery call summaries. Now there are a lot of automation tools or there are a lot of AI note-taking tools that you can add into your meeting. For example, Zoom or Meet apps. और वो आपके लिए सब कुछ summarize कर देगा. It will record the whole meeting. It will summarize everything that you have discussed. It will take away a lot of good points or bad points that you can remember for the next meeting. It will take care of everything. So you don't have to write down throughout the meeting. You can personally talk to the client or communicate one-on-one without losing your focus. And those meeting tools like Fireflies, that's the one of the best that I'm using right now. That will help you automate that. And there are a lot of other things, right? For example, you are a graphic designer. You create the branding for a client. You can create a folder in Drive that you can just copy paste with all of the namings and everything, and you can just customize it a little bit and send it to a client instead of creating the whole folders, giving the names and all of the things from scratch. And also you can automate client updates. आपको client को update देना है weekly, monthly, daily. You can create a doc or any live sheet or document that you can give update to the client. That can be automated as well using AI tools or automation. The goal here is to have more energy for thinking and less for typing. Now let's talk about how you can automate your personal brand, and that's really important in 2026. You don't have a personal brand, you have nothing. अगर आप एलन मस्क को देखें या आप कोई भी एक small personal brand को देखें, they are building their business or their agency or freelancing career through their personal brand. I have seen a lot. I'm not talking about to have Elon Musk kind of companies or stuff like that. I'm talking about very small brands that are emerging. They are focusing on personal brands, and back in they are building their businesses. So they fuel their businesses through their personal brand. So now let's talk about how you can automate your personal brand using AI automation. Now in personal brand, mostly it's about presence on the social media. It's about you have a newsletter, if you have one-on-one mentorship program or community, something like that. You can automate even 70+% of the thing in your personal brand. And I will give you an example how I have automated my personal brand. Every Saturday, I create content for the whole week and schedule it for the whole week. I have social media manager, video editor, graphic designer who take care of the whole thing. On the Saturday, we schedule it, we take care of the captions are created with ChatGPT, which I have trained very properly. I just publish or schedule it on Saturday or leave it to the social media manager with all the captions and all of the things. She takes care of it. This is how you can automate your social media. Same as for newsletter. I use ChatGPT or other you can use Claude, which is good for writing, and it can create a whole newsletter for you. But I'm not saying that you just say, okay, create your newsletter. No, you give it your thoughts, you train it, you personalize it, right? You give points, you create a whole prompt that makes it unique and not a ChatGPT written or AI written. So that's how you can automate newsletter as well. So newsletter is also created on Saturday and it's scheduled on Wednesday. So that's how I automate my personal brand, and same goes for other things, right? You have a community or any other things. You can automate meetings, you can automate collaborations. All of those things can be automated, and AI is growing really fast, which means that the videos will be created for you, the post will be created for you and published for you, and you will get views and followers. Now in the same time, it will be really competitive as well. You will have to have a unique proposition so that people will follow you. So those are things that you have to take care of while automating your personal brand. Now here are the things that you should not automate in your personal brand, business or freelancing career. So here's the thing, do not automate strategies. Now again, all of the discussion I have done is that we just automate repeated tasks, but strategy is still from you, and you have to think, right? Don't automate the strategy, but you can get ideas from AI or any automation tool. Don't automate taste and judgments. People don't follow AI or people don't follow companies, stuff like that. They follow people. They have their taste, judgment. If you comment on some person, right, that creates a taste or judgment of how you are or who you are. If you post on social media, they will create or you will create a taste or judgment for yourself. So that's very unique. Do not automate this. That's why I'm saying that whenever you create something using AI, make sure that it's really personalized and it's trained like you. Relationship building, right? Don't automate that. Be connected. The reason you automate those other things is that so that you have more time to build a relationship. It can be with your employees, with family, with your team members, and with networking, right? So don't automate that. Hard decisions, right? So hard decisions, I know that when you ask ChatGPT or any other AI tool, it will give you answer that you will like. You want just to say yes, right? It will not go against you. So don't leave hard decisions to your AI automation tools or AI tools. Finally, like creative direction. So creative direction means that, still ChatGPT or those any tool that is creating images or anything, they are building with the creative direction of the graphic designer, web designer, content writers, all of those things, right? It is not created from somewhere. It is created or searched from the content or the graphics from the people who are really good at that. Make sure that you have your creative direction and don't use most of the AI stuff. In simple word, AI handles execution, human handles meaning. AI automation is not a shortcut, it's a labyrinth. So make sure that you use it and use it intentionally. It's not about someone use more of AI or automation. It's about using it intentionally so that it makes your life easier, not harder. So that's how you can automate your freelancing, personal brand, or business. But if you still don't know how you can build your personal brand, freelancing career, or start a business, that's where Hans Circle comes in. It's a community for people who wants to build their personal brand, business, or freelancing career. So if you are one of them who wants to build these careers in 2026, don't forget to check out link in the description. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.